Filming time, filming time, filming time. Hey! What are you doing? Get on my lawn! Get out! Get! Shoo!
You asked for another HOLO topped soap. You asked for a black background for a rainbow soap. Sis has delivered. You're getting both today. Before I say anything else in this video, let me just embarrass my sweet husband and tell you guys that today is his 25th birthday. So if you want to spam the comment section down below with happy birthday to Caleb. Dang, I don't even know his name. So if you want to spam the comment section with birthday wishes for Caleb, I will surprise him at the end of the day and be like, oi, boy, check out all the peeps who love you. You may see him in a guest appearance of this year's Soapmas. And speaking of Soapmas, today is day number 5 of the 12 days of Soapmas. This is another one of the soaps that we're going to make a lot of batches of, and it will be available to purchase on January 4th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, royaltysoaps.com. We knew you guys were going to like this one, especially because it was HOLO top, so don't worry, we made a lot. This was inspired by a 90s toy. It might be as early as 80s, but I know it was definitely popular in the 90s. Kenneth, do you know what toy that is? He don't. Lite Brite. It's a Lite Brite.
Lite Brite, I love those things.
We loved them and weren't allowed to have them because choking hazards.
Thanks, Mom.
That's okay, Mother. We forgive you because now we have inspiration to make a soap now that we're in our late 20s.
Worth it.
So without further ado, let's make some soap. You ready for this, Kenneth? It's gonna be a smooth ride.
A what?
A smooth ride. This essential oil blend slows down the soap so it's gonna be nice and watery. Hopefully we get some good swirls in there and nothing goes wrong. You know what I mean? We heard you guys say you liked seeing us blend the lye water solution into the oils down here. So we will indulge you once again. Now I have to pour off 6 equal containers. So here goes the first one. Okay guys, we've got a million different colors to add today and I'm so excited. For the purple, we've got Purple Vibrance Mica and a lot of it. For the blue, we've got Brilliant Blue. For yellow, we have True Yellow, that's from TKB. For the orange, we've got Orange Vibrance. I got some oranges from Mad Micas, but I haven't had time to test them yet, so I don't know how they're doing. My orange from Nurture Soap never fails me. Got some Green Vibrance from Nurture and some really red. This is also from Nurture. It does bleed, it absolutely does, but this soap is gonna be black, so it doesn't matter. Then I'm gonna add in my black oxide. I'm really plopping it in because I mixed it with water and it absorbs it and it just gets turned into a paste. Before I mix up the colors, I'm also going to add my fragrance oil. This is actually not a fragrance oil. It's an essential oil blend from eocalc.com. That is a website owned by Kenna Cody from Modern Soap Making. She invented it to help everybody out with their essential oil usage rates in their bath and body products. We all owe her a big fat thank you. All right guys, are y'all ready for an epic blending session? How about you, Kenny? Are you ready?
Yes!
All right. All right, we're gonna begin by pouring some black, just enough to cover the bottom like this. Then we're gonna pour in all of the purple with a drop swirl. I am gonna scrape this out very quickly because we will not be putting any of this on top. It is going to have a hollow top. Blue is next. Just gonna drop that right in. Okay, let's add a little more black. Woo, even with that essential oil blend, we're still rushing. It's mainly because of the amount of color that I put in. All right, green is next. Just gonna drop that right in. Little more black, la 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 la. Now for the yellow. The good thing about it being as thick as it is that the colors are not going to blend. They are gonna stay very individual. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough black to cover the top, so I'm gonna go straight from the yellow into the orange. All right, we're gonna add a little more of this black now. Just kind of push that down, make a little bit more of a drop swirl. I'm gonna hold this red as high as I can. There we go. Ha 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 ha. Okay, all of my colors are in, so I gotta tap this down. I'm sorry guys, I didn't talk much with this one. It was like moving fast. I was concentrating. That's the way it be sometimes. So I'm just gonna scrape out as much black as I possibly can. I'm gonna tap it down one more time. And now for the best part of all, the glitter. Y'all ain't never seen the amount of glitter I'm about to put in here. This is eco-friendly holographic silver glitter from Crafter's Choice. I am using this today because it creates a linear looking rainbow. You can already see in the bag, that linear rainbow. That's what I want on top of the soap. Typically, I like to use Brambleberry's Holo on top of other soaps because, well, it's a bigger hex, but this one I actually need it to be smaller so that you get the linear appearance. This is like a magic reveal or something. The more I put on, the more obvious it becomes. I tried to leave the top of the soap relatively flat. That way the lines would be uninterrupted. Y'all asked for another hollow top and I'm gonna give it to ya. I've moved on to a slightly bigger strainer, hoping that this will make it a bit of a shorter application time.
Holy crap, is this a lot of glitter?
Yes! I give the people what the people want.
It may be too much.
Never! The goal was to not be able to see the soap underneath. Well, I'm feeling mighty proud of myself at this moment.
What have you done?
The camera doesn't even know what it's looking at. It's like, what is going on? Now for the chunky stuff. I'm not done yet. I gotta put some of the chunky stuff on there to really help capture the rainbow.
I can almost taste the rainbow.
I bet you can. While it looks really cool underneath the studio lighting, just wait till we show you what it looks like outside. Oh my gosh, look at the sparkle! Okay, you guys, y'all be sure to tag Christine from Simply Nailogical on Twitter and Instagram. I want to send her a bar. I think she'd be proud of our holo. But we're gonna have to wait to cut it for 18 to 24 hours, and then we'll come back. We'll take a look at that rainbow inside and see what it looks like with putt bars on the top. Y'all, I think I might have actually done enough glitter for once. But look on that inside, man. That's rad. I can't wait to cut it. This is the one I'm most excited about. Now, the color is a little bit smeary because honestly, this could have stood to sit a little bit longer. I find essential oil soaps do need a good, 48, maybe even up to 72 hours when I use my recipe, but we're excited, so we're cutting now. So I'm gonna press down with Evangeline. Don't worry, I've had a lot of people comment like, where's Rosalind, the multi-bar cutter? Where's Kermit? They're over at the other studio, y'all. They live there now. We are taking it back old school with Evangeline. So let's pull out one of the inside pieces. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. Look at the purple on the bottom. It looks so good. Oh wait, hold on. Here's another one. This one looks like it has a flame in it. Look at that up top. It's like a little fire droplet. All right, all the people who asked for a rainbow soap with a black base, this is for you. I did it for you. Ooh, buddy. I'm so glad we decided to do this. Also, that top ain't nothing to sniff at, folks.
I smell it.
Oh, good. I'm glad. Yeah, it smells really, really good. This is one of my favorite essential oil blends for sure. Okay, guys, time for the question of the day. The question is, which one is your favorite? The black rainbow soap or the white rainbow soap? I'll leave you guys a link right now to the white rainbow soap so you can kind of see the different interpretation of both of them. You have to let me know by clicking the eye in the upper right hand corner of the screen, and hey, depending on which one has the most votes, we might make that again pretty soon. You guys, I'm gonna have to make this again. It's so colorful, it's so potent, the poppin' colors are just mwah. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like it, and if you don't, just go about your merry way. Anyway, be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that is going outside and raking up a mountain of leaves that you've been putting off for weeks, if not months, or perhaps having a snow cone while you too freeze in the ice outside. I don't care what you do, just make sure you do something that makes you happy. And until tomorrow, bye for now.
Hey! What are you doing on my lawn? Get out of here! Get! Hey! What are you doing? Try that again.